Hi, Mark Thomas with U-POL Products. Today I'm going to be covering the features of Raptor, our most popular product. Raptor is a tough, durable truck bed liner and protective coating that's easy to use. You simply fill, shake, and shoot. Raptor is a fun, creative product and the applications are limitless. Raptor started out in 2005 as a truck bed liner, but thanks to its versatility and ease of use, it's suitable for any application where a tough, heavy-duty protective coating is needed. Raptor comes as a kit and is available in both a black and tintable version. Since it's a global product, we make Raptor in National Rule, 2.1 and 1.7 VOC formulations. In this video, I'm going to cover the standard features of Raptor, how it's packaged, how to mix and apply it. Before we begin, U-POL recommends the use of personal protection equipment that includes latex or nitrile gloves, safety glasses, a particle mask when sanding, and in the case of a catalyzed product like Raptor, a charcoal filter respirator suitable for paint application or a fresh air breathing system. Raptor is a durable 2K urethane coating that is semi-flexible, waterproof, and can be sprayed over a variety of substrates. A wide range of textures can be achieved, from smooth like we see on this phone case to something that's extremely coarse. Raptor is designed to meet a broad range of interior and exterior automotive, marine, off-road, agricultural, and industrial applications. It's equally suited for use as a truck bed liner or as a protective floor coating. Practically any application that you can imagine. The abrasion and chemical resistant properties of Raptor make it perfect for most substrates, including properly prepared bare metal, aluminum, and galvanized panels, OEM painted surfaces, e-coat, fiberglass, wood, and even concrete. Since Raptor is fill, shake, and shoot, it's extremely easy to mix. If you're spraying a black kit, all you need to do is open a kit, take out one of the bottles, and pour the hardener to the top of the indented fill line. Put the lid back on and shake the product for approximately 2 minutes. An alternate method is to measure the activator by pouring 250 milliliters of activator into a separate mixing cup. Then pour it into the bottle and shake it. Once the product is agitated, remove the lid, attach the applicator gun, adjust the inlet pressure, and shoot. If you're mixing a tintable kit, there's the extra step of adding the toner. Each liter will require 100 milliliters of toner, so a total of 400 milliliters will be required for tinting a complete kit. For tinting, a solvent base coat system works best, but you can use single-stage urethane toners as well. There won't be much room left in the top of the bottle, so you may find it easier to mix the Raptor, activator, and toner in a separate mixing cup and then pour it back into the original bottle. For the ease of this video, I'm going to be using a mixing cup and mix by volume. Let's say you're going to mix about 12 ounces of material. Go to the 3-to-1 ratio on the cup and pour Raptor up to the 3 line, which is about 9 ounces. Then add hardener up to the next corresponding line, which is about 3 ounces. Stir the products together, pour them into the mixing container, attach a chutes gun, and spray. Another option that you have with Raptor is the ability to reduce it 10 to 20% and apply it with a gravity feed spray gun. Once you've mixed the Raptor and attached the gun, adjust the inlet pressure on your gun to between 35 and 60 psi. Hold the gun approximately 24 to 32 inches off the surface and apply the Raptor in a sweeping motion to obtain the build and texture that you're looking for. If you need additional build or want to apply an additional coat, allow Raptor to flash off for approximately 60 minutes before applying the next coat.